these annoying sounds that just won't stop? Let's crack the mystery of hiccups. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, a muscle below your lungs, decides to play tricks and pulls down, making you gulp air in a funny way. The result? That hic sound. Eating too fast, drinking soda, or even getting a little too excited can trigger them. Want to stop hiccups? Try holding your breath, sipping cold water, or maybe getting a little scared. But remember, if they stick around for more than 48 hours, it's time to see a doctor. Follow us for more.